Good afternoon, Tower. Agusta 126 Charlie Golf is with you.
November 126 Charlie Golf, FAY Tower. You're going to be number 2 to follow a Gulfstream midfield left downwind, runway 4, wind 230 at 3, cleared 2 land.
Okay, number 2 following the Gulfstream, runway 4, 126 Charlie Golf. Alright, looking for Gulfstream. I don't see him. Any of the boxes, he's on the downwind, so you're not going to see him. He's coming this way. But we should at least see him on PCAS. So it probably won't pop up till he's like 6 miles. Which we are 10 miles, so that makes sense. Okay, come to the right. So you'll be lined up with runway 4.
And this 52 is left base for the option.
Minus 52, roger. November 6 Charlie Golf, do you have the Gulfstream turning base in sight?
One, 2, 6 Charlie Golf. We have him in the box, not visual yet. Okay, go in the slow way down.
November 6 Charlie Golf,
Right
roger,
pedal.
spacing good, number 2, runway 4, clear to land.
Okay, clear to land, runway 4, and we'll still look for the Gulfstream. Got to get that right pedal in there if you're going to move that collective. Right pedal. Got to turn trim. Don't want no tail rotor issues on landing. Stay away off the course for the runway. Over here to the left. I don't even see the runway yet. I don't even see the airport yet. I think it's that. Right now you're lined up, so we'll stay here. Okay. That's the runway way up there. Yeah, that's what I was pointing at. Okay. Tower 126 Charlie Golf. We slowed down a little bit just because we couldn't see the Gulfstream yet.
6 Charlie Golf, roger, spacing good, traffic is following short final.
Okay, roger. All right, let's go ahead and speed up. Go ahead and speed up. Yep. Stay at 700. Yep. Don't descend. You said 700, but you're ascending. No, stay here, 600.
I show 7, okay, but I'll
You said 700, but you're still in a nosedive, so you're almost you're going to 500. That's what I'm saying.
All right, I'm close to 120.
Okay.
So which,
Right in the middle. Foxtrot is right in the middle. You're going to cross the runway. Next one will be Foxtrot. Left turn into Signature.
All right, am I going to touch down on the runway or fly over to Foxtrot?
I can touch down.
Venus 52, squawk 1345.
When we make a left turn, we'll step down.
Squawk, Venus 52, climb to 2000. We'll be switching to departure. Thanks so much for the work today.
Venus 52, roger, contact departure, see you.
Okay, start working on slowing yourself down. Don't forget the right pedal. Takes a lot of right pedal in this thing. Alright, so 130 knots, gears coming down. Three green, no red.
3 green, confirmed.
Okay, all lights are on. No caution warning lights. Outside lights are on. Land checks are completed.
Where do you want me to touch down?
Foxtrot.
Or Foxtrot.
Foxtrot is the first one past the next runway.
Gotcha.
Look for the big F.
Okay. And I'm touching down, but on Foxtrot, not on the runway.
Yep.
Understood. Just confirm.
Remember, this is Charlie Golf, fast up as needed to taxiway Alpha at Echo, and taxi part the Echo.
Okay, taxi to Echo over to Alpha, or 126 Charlie Golf. Keep going, don't slow down. Just change it from Foxtrot, now it's Echo.
Okay, I see Foxtrot, and then Echo, I see Echo. Holding my altitude. And
we don't want to do 5 knots here, right? Because you don't know who's behind us, so that's why I'm telling you. Okay, slow down.
This one here?
Yep.
All right. Slowing down. Adding power. Adding power. Adding power. Adding power.
Didn't slow down, did ya?
No.
No. Went way past it, right?
Yep. I was trying to be gentle.
All right, put her on the ground here.
All right.
Been better if you're moving, right? It's smoother versus
Okay.
trying to hover. See how rough that is. All right, we'll put the nose wheel lock off. Taxi on in.